Hello guys, I'm George, I'm a tech wrap trainer, and today I'm gonna show you how to wrap using gold and yellow vinyl. Okay, so now we're gonna wrap the front bumper. I'm here with Bartosz, who was happy to lend his car to do the trainings and the videos. So he will help me to stretch the bumper, which is gonna be a lot quicker. Like usual, we used clay bar, degreaser, masking tape. I cut the liner in half, which is gonna quickly position it like to be straight. Heat the anchored section to soften the vinyl before the big stretch. Okay, Bartosz, pull a little bit. First stretch, pull evenly across the main surface. Peel the liner to expose more adhesive. Apply uniform heat to relax the film's memory. Tension management on the side, stretch towards the wheel well and glass it out. More heat here to keep the vinyl soft and workable. Remove the next liner section. Gently warm the surface before the next stretch. Okay. Pull outwards to eliminate any wrinkles before tacking it down. There we have, we stretched it. Perfect, we've got it glassed and ready. Work the film into the upper recesses using consistent, uniform heat. Rough cut with a sharp blade. Leave enough material for the final tuck. Squeegee at 45 degrees. Use overlapping strokes to push out all air. Pinpoint the headlight and grille recesses. These need extra attention. Balance heat and tension. Let the vinyl flow naturally into the bumper's shapes. Check for air with a gloved hand. Feel the surface to ensure a flawless finish. Okay, now we can start applying. Headlight cutout, releasing the stress to lock the edges. I'm gonna quickly heat it up. Quick heat to relax the cut edges. Seal the vinyl into the recess with firm thumb pressure. Trim precisely, leaving a small margin for the overlap. Always use a fresh, sharp blade. Dull blades cause dough cuts and jagged edges that will lift over time. And now we can relax it. Relaxing the vinyl one more time. Work the film into the indicator pocket with light heat. Clean cut for the opening. Heat and stretch to lock it. Press firmly to ensure the adhesive bonds permanently. Now I can quickly trim this a little bit more. Trimming the last details. A sharp blade is your best friend for these tight spots. Repeating the process on the other side. Keep your heat uniform and pull from the center to avoid trapping air. If you see fingers at the edges, pick up the film, add heat, and redistribute the tension away from the curve. Finishing the headlight and upper bumper. Apply firm pressure and post-heat edges as you go to secure the initial tack. So there we have the top. Top section is done. Every bumper has its own unique lines. Take your time to feed the vinyl into every groove. This ensures a paint-like finish that stays tucked no matter the vehicle's design. So now we can do the finishing, so I'm gonna trim it a little bit shorter. Actually checking if you have any tension and also relaxing at the same time, so the film settles naturally into every contour. Moving the bumper to a stand is the professional way to ensure total precision. At this height, you can surgically inspect the bottom edges and complex recesses. As you trim the excess, leave a consistent margin to wrap behind the panel. Use uniform heat to conform the material to the inner lips, making sure the adhesive is fully activated. If the vinyl shrinks back smoothly during a heat test, you've managed the tension correctly. This careful finishing ensures the wrap stays locked during the mandatory 24-hour settlement period. Final post-heating is non-negotiable. For tech wrap matte films, target 105 to 115 degrees Celsius, while gloss films like this one require 115 to 120 degrees Celsius. Hidden elements can handle up to 130 degrees Celsius to kill the vinyl's memory. Always use a pyrometer to verify these critical temperatures. Bumper transformation complete. Check our other tutorials and subscribe for more tech wrap pro tips.